everybody, Peg here for day 28 of Art Journal Habit 2018. Yeah, we're rounding the bend here, only a couple more days left. And today I am working with a silk screen from Martha Stewart. This is something I picked up on the sale clearance aisle at Michael's. And I just thought, well, let's give this a try. I had tried using it with some heavier body golden acrylic. That didn't work so good. So now I'm getting out some fluid acrylics, and I'm going to do a little bit of painting in to my image with those fluid acrylics. I want to be able to see the image still there, because I'm going to come back with that silk screen and go over the top of this again. But yeah, you know, I experiment. I try to learn things as I work on stuff. And, you know, you guys, you can benefit from my mistakes. So just saying that with these silk screens, you want something that is pretty fluid to get it through that screen. And then make sure that you go and clean your silk screen right away, because if you're going to use it again, you want to be able to push something through that screened area. So, yeah, I put the white titanium onto that image, and then I've got some quinacridone magenta, and I'm just going to paint in that flower. This thing kind of looks, what would I call it? It's not a rose, it's not a lotus or a lily. I don't know what kind of, might be more towards a hibiscus or something. It's an imaginary flower, so we're just painting imaginary flowers on this page. But I thought that jelly print background that I glued down when I first made the book would make a good background with this particular color because of the contrast. So I'm going to put this on here several times, and I'm going to get my quote going. I have a quote that I printed off. Let me get that. I printed it on my laser printer, and it says, "As children, our imaginations are vibrant and our hearts are open. We believe that the bad guys always lose, and the tooth fairy sneaks into our rooms at night to put money under our pillow. Everything amazes us, and we think anything is possible. We continually experience life with a sense of newness and unbridled curiosity." And that's from Uta Berg. And then on the other page, I used this stamped image. You know, Tim Holtz is the originator of all the possibility stamps in the world, I think. And it says, "Every possibility begins with the courage to imagine." So, yeah, this is a double page spread today. I really wanted to play with that silk screen, and so you'll see me go through the process here, and I hope you enjoyed this. And we got a few more days of this before December hits, so, you know, come and join us over at Art Joy Sharing on Facebook. Check out what everybody is doing. Use the hashtag, and you'll find other people that are doing this. Shall C, for one, is my partner in crime, dreaming up this one. So check her out, and I will see you again tomorrow. So bye for now.